All right, so we are going to relight the pilot light on this gravity furnace here. It just keeps going out. I'm probably gonna have to change out this furnace, but either way. So as you can see in there, it's a thermocouple. I'm not gonna light it now, but I'm just kind of showing you using I guess I'll call it an extended lighter there. But first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you turn the furnace off first. What you want to do also too is just make sure that you turn the pilot to off. You want to wait about 15 minutes to make sure that you have all the gas out of there. As you can see, I'm turning it off there. I kind of compressed it down a little bit, to get it over. The nice thing is, a lot of these furnaces, usually the directions are right on the furnace. So that's very, very helpful. So make sure you follow that. But 15 minutes are back up. So I'm turning the furnace back on. So what you want to do, you want to press down the pilot. And once you press down the pilot, you're going to hold that and light it at the same time. But here's what I'm doing. It went from off to pilot. It's important to go to pilot, not just on. Go to pilot first. And then once you go to pilot, you're going to compress it down and you're going to light it with a lighter or a match or whatever you have. I definitely recommend this kind of extended lighter that I have, because once it shouldn't really jump up on you or anything like that, but for the most part, you'll see once it gets lit, it's not a huge flame, once you just have it on pilot. As you can see, just got it on and it's burning, but keep in mind, I still have the pilot compressed down. So you want to compress down, hold that pilot down for about a good minute. Once you hold that down for a good minute, you're going to want to release it, just turn it to on. But as you see, I have the pilot still down. Again, that's on pilot. Leave it on pilot. You just want to make sure what you're doing is you're just making sure the gas comes in, to the thermocouple there. And you just want to make sure that it stays lit. Now, if you decompress it and it doesn't stay lit, or if you try to go on and it doesn't stay lit, keep trying that. If you smell gas or anything like that, just stop what you're doing and call someone ASAP, because it means you have a gas leak somewhere and you want to get that taken care of ASAP. So I just went to on. As you can see, you're definitely going to get a decent sized flame, but I switched it to on, and that's why that flame lit up like that. So, but, for the most part, pretty quick, easy fix. This is on these gravity furnaces. Pretty simple. You don't necessarily have to call a repairman, but if you do these steps a couple times and they don't work, definitely recommend, calling someone, calling a professional to kind of get this done. But as you see, a nice blue flame, that's what you want to see. I just monitor it and watch it a little bit. I definitely recommend turning the, from the thermostat, turning that off, and then turning it back on. This was left on, so you kind of saw how it came back. But yeah, then we're just going to put the, essentially the cap back on, and that is it. So pretty simple. You could definitely do it yourself, but hopefully it should save you time and get you out of an emergency. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.